Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know I've been missing for a while, but I've been working on other content for my TikTok page. But today I'm going to be installing this bundle that I bought, and as you can see, my hair is already done, and I already have my leave outs because I'm gonna be leaving out the edges and at the top, so to cover the hair so my hair looks natural. So I know a lot of people don't like to do sew-ins because DIY sew-ins because they are afraid of the needle. But let me tell you, I've been doing this for a while, and I'm gonna be honest with you. Sometimes I get stick by the needle. I do a lot of times, even when I was doing this. But what you could do is you could always use one of your hands and your fingers to guide the needle. As you can see here, I'm putting in the needle through the weft of the hair. I am pulling it through both of my fingers so to guide the needle, so I know where the needle is coming through and what to expect. So you guys can do that, and that will also help you to do your DIY sewing bundles because I've been doing this for a while. I also am working on some digital content. I have my book on how to become a wig influencer. If you're interested, the link will be in the description bar below, where you guys can go ahead and purchase my book on how to become a wig influencer. I also have another book that contains 150 companies that you can reach out to start your wig influencing journey by pitching to them, so you can get wig deals, wig brands, and free wigs to review. So you can go ahead and check that out. Also, the link will be in my bio if you're interested to go and purchase. I also have my book, which is coming out soon. Maybe by the time you see this video, it will be out. I'll have a vendors list coming out that you guys can purchase to start your business. And these vendors were handpicked by me because I buy from vendors to start my business, which is my lace wigs and bathing suit. So yes, that's just a little bit about what I've been up to for the last few weeks. So when I do my sewings, I always go in and filling in, because when I'm sewing in, I don't always have the opportunity to ensure that all gaps are filled. So I just do what I can do, then I go in and just fill in the gaps like I am doing now. So I leave out the back, and then I'm just going in to fill in the back. As you can see, I'm just gluing these pieces because I won't be able to sewing because I don't have enough here available to sew in. I'm also spraying some hair spritz to hold the glue tightly so the hair can last longer, maybe for a month, because I usually keep in my sewing for like a month. I'm also going in to fill in the top here, as you can see, because there's a lot of gaps in between, and I want to make it a little bit full because this hair, I bought this hair on Amazon, and this hair was not from my business. I sell human hair, but this was not from my business. I bought it from Amazon. It's 18, 20, and 22 inches hair. Very thin. That's the only thing I don't like about it. It's very thin. And I do it single. I didn't double the hair. I sew it in single. And that's how I love it. I don't like it too thick. I like it very thin, and so this is what you could do. You should just go in and fill in the gaps where needed, so your hair can feel a little bit fuller. But you do that after you've done the major sewing, because you want to ensure that you've done that. And if you have any extra hair remaining, then that's what you do. You go in and you do that. I'm also going to be filling in the top here, because for sure the top is more important. Why? Because it's the part of your hair that's gonna be more obvious, so you have to ensure that the top is filled up. And so when you use your own natural hair to cover it, it looks more full and it looks more natural, because the top of your hair most of the times is what is seen and recognized. So you want to ensure that you fill in the top also. And as you see I'm gluing in the top because there's not enough here there for me to sew in, because for you to sew in you have to have braided hair available to sew in, compared to gluing. You can just glue it on your hair, on your scalp. So this is my leave out. As the beauty about this hairstyle is that I can wear my hair as a half wig, as you could see there. And I could also part it to do my center part. I could also do side part if I wanted to, but I always love my center part. So I'm going in now to do with the center part, and then I'm gonna flat iron, and then I'm gonna lay it down and sleek it down so it looks beautiful. If you guys have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like the video, share this video with a friend, and also leave a comment down below. You can follow me on Instagram at Sassy SASSY Alicia, where I share a lot of content on wig influencing, my books, business, mindset, and so much more. So I am using my favorite edge control, which is a Lotta Body edge control. I've been using this for years. I love it. I love the coconut smell. I love how it's not flaky and it's not that greasy, but it does give your hair some shine, and I love it. So as you can see, this looks so beautiful and natural. So let me tell you, don't let anybody tell you that you cannot do your hair yourself. Just stick with us YouTubers who are DIY beauties, and we do our own hair, because we have a lot to teach you. So I've been doing this for a long time, and as you can see, it looks really natural, and this hairstyle is gonna last me for a month, I promise you. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoy my video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Please turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified when I post my next video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Interact with me. Follow me on my social pages, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.